The dha. The D.
All of you. Okay, I'm your
Ankle.
math teacher and this is your
Ball.
math class. Okay, so हमने कल मैथ्स में क्या किया था? डिजिट 1 and 2 की ट्रेसिंग की थी. ओके, अब्दुल्ला बच्चे, व्हाट आर यू डूइंग? शो मी, आप क्या कर रहे हैं? शो टू मैम को दिखाइए. अब्दुल्ला, व्हाट आर यू डूइंग? अब्दुल्ला, शो मी.
1.
You have done your English worksheet, Abdullah.
2.
Show me, Abdullah.
1 car.
Show me, बच्चे.
2 leaf.
Okay, you have done square. आपने square बनाया है और 1, 2, 3 की ट्रेसिंग की है. Very good. All of you clap for Abdullah. सब clapping करें शाबाश अब्दुल्ला के लिए. Clap for Abdullah. Very good. Well done, Abdullah. Okay. So this is your math class and this is your math book. Okay. This is your math book and the name of this book is my first book of numbers, shapes, colors. Okay. Yes, my first book of numbers, shapes, colors. So in this book, we learn about numbers, shapes, and colors. We learn about numbers, shapes, and colors. Okay. Yes. So today we do an activity. So the name of this activity is, this is your math activity sheet for playgroup class. Because this is math activity, sorry math class, ये math की क्लास है. तो आज हम math की क्लास में जो एक्टिविटी करेंगे वो है paste the ball in front of numbers. Paste the ball in front of numbers. कि आपने बॉल पेस्ट करने हैं किसके सामने? नंबर्स के सामने. ओके, वी पेस्ट द बॉल इन फ्रंट ऑफ नंबर्स. हमने नंबर्स के सामने क्या पेस्ट करना है? बॉल. ओके, क्या पेस्ट करने हैं? बॉल. तो the first one digit is 2. The first one digit is 2. Okay, which date is it? 2. And the second one digit is 3. Yes, which date is this? 3. And the next one digit is 4. Which date is this? 4. Okay. And the last one is 1. So first we revise these digits in the book. पहले हम इन सारे digits को revise करेंगे and then we start today activity. Okay. So the first one digit is, look at the book. Okay, 1. The first one digit is 1. And what is this? 1 car. Okay, and the second one digit is like this. The second one digit is 2. And what are these? 2 leaves. 2. And what are these? 2 leaves. Okay, and next one is, yes, look at this. 3. Which date is it? After 2, which date is this? 3. Which date is this? 3. Okay. And what are these? 3 hot air balloons. What are these? 3 hot air balloons. Like 1, 2, 3. How many balloons? 3 balloons. How many balloons? 3 balloons. 1, 2, 3. How many balloons? 3 balloons. Okay. These are 3 balloons. Okay. Now the next one is 4. Yes. Which date is this? 4. Like 1, 2, 3, 4. So the last one digit is 4. Okay. And look at these pictures. What are these? Fishes. Yes. These are colorful fishes. And how many fishes are there? 1 fish, 2 fish, 3 fish, and 4 fishes. Okay. How many fishes are there? These are 4 fishes. Okay. These are 4 fishes. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. Like in digit 3, how many balloons? 3 balloons. In digit 3, we learn how many balloons? 3 balloons. 1, 2, 3. But the next one, digit 8, 4. Which digit is this? 4. So we count these fishes. Count it 1, 2, yes, 3, very good, and 4. These are 4 fishes. How many fishes? 4 fishes. Okay. So today our activity name is place the ball in front of correct numbers. Okay. बच्चे इस एक्टिविटी का नाम ये है कि हमने बॉल जो होते हैं, आई विल शो यू दीस बॉल. Look at this. These are balls. These are so many balls. Okay. Okay. These are so many balls. These are so many balls. Okay. These are so many balls. So count it. 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Yes, these are 10 balls. How many balls? 10 balls. Like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. These are 10 balls. अब हम बच्चे इन 10 balls को जो भी उसका करेक्ट नंबर होगा, डिजिट होगा, उसके सामने हम पेस्ट करेंगे, लगाएंगे. ओके. तो हम साइड से कर लेते हैं इस बॉल को और हम अपने वर्कशीट की तरफ आते हैं. तो start our activity sheet. Now the first one digit is, who will tell me, कौन मुझे बताएगा ये कौन सा डिजिट है? Urva, tell me which digit is this? 2. Very good, very well done. This is digit 2. So which digit is this? 2 now. So Urva, tell me, we paste one ball in front of 2. हम 2 के सामने one ball paste करेंगे. No. How many balls? Tell me. 2 balls. Very good. So we paste these 2 balls. Okay. We paste these 2 balls. Okay. How many balls are there? 2 balls. Okay. We paste how many balls? 2 balls. Okay. Now the next one digit is 3. Which date is this? 3. After 2, which one number? 3. Okay. So Afan, tell me. मैं 3 के सामने 1 बॉल पेस्ट करूंगी. Afan, tell me. हरी up, शाबाश. 3. Very good. Afan ने 3 fingers शो की है ना. So I will paste how many balls? 3 balls. Like 1. Shabash, count with me. 1, 2, and 3. Yes. So how many balls are there? 3 balls. Okay. Because this is digit 3. So I will paste 3 balls in front of digit 3. Okay. मैंने 3 balls को पेस्ट किया है क्योंकि डिजिट जो है वो है 3. ओके. 3 डिजिट है ना, तो हम कितने बॉल्स पेस्ट करेंगे? 3. लाइक फर्स्ट में 2 था तो हमने 2 के सामने 2 बॉल पेस्ट किए हैं. ओके. now the another one digit is 4. Very good. Which digit is this? 4. And 4 means 4. So Amna Shabachi, show me your 4 fingers. Show me, hurry up. Okay, raise your hand. Very good. Now I will paste how many balls? 4 balls. Okay. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. Yes, these are 4 balls. We paste digit in front of digit 4 balls. Okay, हमने 4 के सामने कितने balls paste की है? 4, like 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. These are 4 balls, and the last one is 1. Very good. Which date is this? 1. And 1 is lonely. 1 तो हमेशा एक होता है, उसका तो कोई फ्रेंड नहीं होता है. So we paste only 1 ball. Okay. हम 1 के सामने कितने बॉल्स पेस्ट करेंगे? Only 1. Okay. So now अब हम इसके सामने इन बॉल्स के ऊपर हम इनके करेक्ट नंबर्स, जो बिल्कुल सही नंबर्स है, डिजिट है, वो हम राइट करेंगे. ओके. So we write correct number in these balls. Okay. First we count these balls, then we write it. पहले हम इन बॉल्स को काउंट करेंगे और उसके बाद हम इस पे राइटिंग करेंगे जो उसका सही नंबर होगा. ओके. शाबाश बच्चे. जब तक मैम इस पे सही नंबर लिखती है, आप तब तक अपना वर्कशीट कंप्लीट करें. ओके. नाउ द फर्स्ट वन इज 2. So first we count 2 balls, like 1 and 2. So in first ball we write 1. In the first ball we write 1 and 2 है ना? How many? 2. So the next one ball is how many balls? 2 balls. So हम इस ball पे 2 लिखेंगे. Okay. Like this. Very good. Okay. See, 1 and 2. Okay. Yes, very good. Okay, now the second one number is 3. How many balls? 3 balls. So we write 3 digits. Okay. 1 से start करते हैं. 1. बस रिवाइज करें मेरे पीछे. 1. Good.
1.
2.
Nasri, Mustafa.
2.
3. Nasri.
Okay.
Come
And
digit
after 2, the last one is 3, because these are 3 balls.
Come digit te bache.
Okay. So the next one number is 4. Yes. How many balls? 4. So the first one ball 1, 2, okay,
2, 3,
and
4.
Yes, very good. So these are 4 balls. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, now the last one is, which date is this? 1. Very good. 1. Which date is this?
Yes,
1.
Mustafa.
So we
Yes,
paste 1 ball,
Yes,
and अब हम इसके सामने
4.
1 लिखेंगे. Okay,
Come
like
digit
this.
बता तुमने.
1. Because 1 का कोई फ्रेंड नहीं होता है, 1 is lonely, तो हम क्या लिखेंगे?
शाबाश.
1. Okay. तो अब हम इसको रिवाइज करेंगे. Okay. Okay, tell me बच्चे, which date is this? Abdullah? 2. Okay, and how many balls? 2 balls. 1, 2. Yes, how many balls? 2 balls.
2 balls. How many balls?
2. How many balls?
1,
2 balls. 1, 2. Yes, these are 2 balls. Okay. Now tell me, Ahmed, which date is this? Ahmed Mustafa? Very good. 3. So which date is this? 3. And now count these balls with me. 1. Javier bache, look at me.
Count.
Javier bache. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. बच्चे जावियर अपना कैमरा अपनी शीट की तरफ करें. Here is your sheet. Show me, Javier.
4 bill color.
Okay, so these are 3 balls. Okay, now the next one is 4. So count these balls. 1, 2,
Count
3,
line
4. How many balls? 4 balls. 1,
4,
2, 3, 4. These are 4
Is why
balls.
that's it.
Okay, and the last one is One. Which
Twelve.
date is this? One. So how many balls? One ball. Okay. Now bache,
Four.
one by one
Bache,
show me your
1,
worksheet.
2, 3,
Abdullah,
4.
Afan. Very good. Clap for Afan. Very nice. Clap for Afan. Very good. Now bache, show me Urwa, where is your worksheet? Urwa, show me where is your worksheet. You have not done. Hurry up, show me. अफान आपको गिफ्ट मिलेगा बिकॉज़ अफान ने किया है, मैं फिनिश कर लिया है. अब्दुल्ला बच्चे, यू आर टर्न. शो मी अब्दुल्ला, शो मी. Very good, very nice. Now बच्चे, अहमद मुस्तफा, you show me. Well done. All of you बच्चे, clap for अहमद मुस्तफा. Very good, very nice. So these, yeah, very good. Ahmed Mustafa, well done Abdullah, very nice. Abdullah ने भी बहुत प्यारा किया है. And Urwa, okay. Zaviyar, are you sleeping? Zaviyar, are you sleeping? Kindly आप ये Zaviyar के कैमरा को उनकी वर्कशीट के सामने करें. उनका फेस नजर नहीं आ रहा है.
Ahmed,
Hurry up. You have done Ahmed Mustafa. Well done, very well done. अहमद मुस्तफा ने कर लिया है ना. अब अहमद मुस्तफा को मैं स्टार दूंगी. ओके अहमद मुस्तफा, ये मैम की तरफ को आपको स्टार मिलेगा. 1 star. वेरी गुड अहमद मुस्तफा. Now Afan, you show me your worksheet. तो आपको भी स्टार मिलेगा. हरी अप अफान, show me. वेरी गुड. अफान को भी 1 star मिलेगा. वेरी गुड. This is Ahmad Mustafa star. And this is Afan star. Okay. Okay. Now Abdullah, you show me. Abdullah, show me बच्चे. Very good. Well done. Abdullah को भी स्टार मिलेगा. Well done. Well done. Okay. Now Urwa, आपको worksheet मैंने नहीं देखा. Urwa, show me.
Ma'am, I done.
Yes बच्चे, वेरी गुड. अहमद मुस्तफा मैम ने देख लिया आपका वर्कशीट. गुड. उर्वा बच्चे, ओके बच्चे, उर्वा अपने घर में अपना होमवर्क कंप्लीट करना है, ठीक है ना. गुड. बच्चे, टुडे आवर एक्टिविटी इज place the ball in front of digit, sorry, in front of number. So 2, 1, 2.
1, 2,
Yes, 1. Okay, and 3, 1, sorry, 1, 2, and 3, and 4, 1,
1,
yes, 1, 2, 3, and the last one is 4, and last one is 1. So, bache, today finish your class. Thank you. Bye bye.